Research shows 65% of users care deeply about durability. So what did Chitu Systems do to make PlateCycler more durable? The whole materials are PA6s plus 20% GF and PC/ABS, keeping it both tough and light. 20% GF is added in hotbed contact areas to prevent deformation over time. A roller is added to prevent the plate from rubbing against the build plate hood. Buffer pads are added to reduce vibration damage during plate switching. The top latch uses a 1.2mm bike-grade steel cable for lasting strength and reliability. How did Chitu Systems test PlateCycler's stability and durability? After changing high-performance glue, 4,000 manual level fleets confirmed long-term durability. Over 3 months of testing, PlateCycler completed more than 5,000 switches with no issues.
在5000次的换盘测试中 ，PlateCycler 的换盘成功率达到了99%。
Beyond product reliability, Chitu Systems offers full engineer support.